Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can join TikTok Creativity Program Beta from any country. Now remember, your account needs to be eligible. So for this you need to click on the profile at the bottom right of your screen and come to your TikTok profile and click on the three line at the top right. From over here, click on Creator Tool. Now inside Creator Tool, under monetization, you should see the option called Creativity Program. If you don't see it, that means you're not yet eligible, because I'm going to show you my another account which is eligible for TikTok creator program. So what I can do is I'm going to switch my account, and inside my another account what I'm going to do is do the same thing. I'm going to click on the three line at the top right, click on creator tool. Inside over here you will see creativity program. So I can click on it. After I click on it, it's going to show me all the terms and conditions which I need to meet in order to join it. As you guys can see, I need to have 10,000 followers. I need to have more than like 1 million views on the last 30 days on my videos. And I need to be at least 18 years old. After all of this is checkmarked, I can click on apply. Once I click on apply, TikTok staff will view if my account is safe to be under TikTok program or TikTok's creativity program. If it is okay, then they're going to let me join. So that is basically how you guys can join. Until and unless you have this on your profile, you're not going to be able to join. So I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.